Okay, sorry about being quiet. But hey guys, it's me, Golden Foxy here. The Golden Foxy Fox. So I'll show you how to get mouse loops. I already drew mine. I already drew my mouth. Do it again. Other mouth loops in my videos. Yeah, you can do it. Right now, you see drew my mouth. I'm gonna bring it down a bit because you need to see the part down here. Right there. Okay. How your mouth moves. You need to always draw your mouth last. If you want to make your mouth move. Always your mouth last. Okay? You heard I said always last. So you see these buttons down here? Don't know what app I'm using. It's Fresh Paint. You go here. Let's get ready for it. Okay. Now I just need to now go here. I'm just gonna say how to down how
I didn't quite follow that.
I messed up placing it. Show me how to download Fresh Paint. Here should be Fresh Paint right here. Fresh Paint download. Now this isn't mine. Because I already have mine, that's probably not why it's saying it. But probably not why it's saying it because I already have mine. But you probably, if you want to get this one, you can. See, these are the buttons right here. So, but you can use mine if you want. It's like easier to actually understand, so that. Okay. Yeah, this one is no, this is easier to understand. It should just have a red window like that, a red one. So like other one, that's the one I use. That's not the one I use. So when I use, that's where you can find mine. So you can use this one if you want to. So just get this. I will show you what I was gonna do in a minute. So now how you make your mouth move, you want to press undo. And that, the bottom part of your mouth should disappear. Should. Then, now this one turns dark gray because now you can use it. Because if you redo it, or if you undo it and you wanted it back because you didn't mean to press the button, they'll let you use that. So, well, if you get out and you want to get that thing off, like the thing off what you did, but you had to leave it. It probably died or something. You cannot do it. You're gonna have to erase it yourself by pressing this button. Sorry about that. Pressing this button. Light button, gold button, black. It's by pressing this button right here. What's gray right now? Dark gray? Is there? Just get back to my image picture. Okay. Yeah. You should not start out with this type of screen. I think you just press this paint button. should come. This is how it should come. Then you should just click on the pencil, and it should just like oil pastel, crayon, pen, pencil, a different type of pencil, different pencil, paint. I think to get back. Yeah, oh yeah. Yes. That's all I'm gonna say for that. I don't want to spoil this app too much. So just bring the screen up in my Okay, right there. Should see it right here. Then you want to press. See, this is what happens. Now you're gonna have to draw the mouth again. Oh, okay, you draw it. Press undo, and you press redo. And the mouth should move like an animation. So, but sorry about not making videos for a long time. Because, I don't know, I just want to take a break for a bit. I mean, I'm not going again. No. Also, you have school coming up in a couple days, like 1-2 days coming up, and yeah. Wow, I'm very impressed. So, make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below if you want to say something. Somebody else, please leave me a comment. Wait, let's show you something. I think it was about to say, click YouTube. Here you guys. No, you're always to get into your channel. I think it's always right here. You might have a different computer, but it's always right here. So I'll move back here. Click it. And you should come up with this type of icon when you click it. And the first one should say my channel, and I'm gonna click it, and wait, yeah, it should show my channel right there. So here's the plumbing. I review. Okay, this is the title. I'm putting. I am doing my clone. I don't know what it's called. Soon, believer, it is the sun. Here is my description. OMG, my first clone coming soon. Plus love God. If you know what OMG means, nothing bad. Just, oh my goodness. So, oh my god. And so, here's my comments. I only need one to clone with me, yeah. I only need one person. I will I will make a video where I will pick it. Or I might even like invite my friends. And I'll teach you how to make a YouTube channel. No, I will. Maybe she'll do my clone with me. Yeah. And also, right, here. Because the screen, okay. Right. And also, right here is why I did this. Oh god. Why did this? Because I wanted to show you my new clone. This is the picture. It's already the clone. But the next video will have a part. I'll have to move and write my part. So don't mind if I put part 1, I erase this, part 2, 3. I think it's only gonna be like a make it 2-part video. Like at least 2 people can come with me, probably, or more. There's gonna be like more than difference. I'm just thinking of something. So, just gotta get out of YouTube, get out of this, and then I want to say, but I can't really like the video. Subscribe to my channel and comment below. No. Ebook, comment, yep. What just happened to my picture? I can't even move my screen. Yeah. I don't know how to do that. That's how you make your mouth move. But I mean to say